So after 7 inches of rain in 24 hours, we were outside trying to prepare for the next storm, and we had a little situation. This should be interesting. We've buried a gigantic commercial-sized John Deere. Apparently we're going to get our ab work for the day.
10.
How long is it going to take you to get this out?
Maybe 10.
10 minutes. Can we bet on that?
I can do anything with editing.
Okay.
I can make it look like 10.
So continuing with our current tractor situation.
About 2 minutes in.
Yeah, according to Travis, about 2 minutes in, we should have it out any minute now. Nothing like a good ab workout on a Saturday morning. As you can see, the dogs are totally helping. Hogan is over here supervising. Diesel is over here on the front side, keeping watch. Yep, I'm talking about you. Are you helping or are you just supervising? And we shall see. According to Travis, about 7 more minutes and we should be good, but I think the bet is on. Okay, so we're gonna try something a little different here.
So now we are walking back up to the house because we were supposed to leave at 12 o'clock and it's now 12:34. That didn't work very well. As you can see, it's still stuck.
I mean, not good news is it's still in the dirt.
Yeah, so
Apparently we're gonna have a chapter 3 later today.
yeah, so keep watching if you'd like to see how this ends or if it ever does end, because
It's
this
not
isn't
really
going
going
too
anywhere.
Hi guys, so we are coming home from the party that we were late to because of the tractor. We picked up Bryson. Hey guys. Yeah. So now we get to go back home and see what progress Dad has made since we have been gone. Hopefully he did something and maybe we can get the tractor out soon. If not, then you guys get to see us struggle even longer. We should just wait till summertime and like a few months till, you know, the ground isn't like a puddle anymore. But we're gonna try to get it out. And if we can't get it out tonight, we're gonna hope that it doesn't rain overnight. And maybe we can get it out in the morning. But right now, we are just struggling. So
We're hoping we can work some magic and get it out tonight. Obviously, we've exceeded Travis's 10 minutes. We'll see if his 10-minute optimism, what he has to say for himself after we left him to dig out a few more hours on his own. So stay tuned because the plot thickens.
So I'm walking down and it looks like Mom and Dad are already down there. And oh gosh, it's still stuck. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so here we are. This is Dad's work of being out here all day.
No. I've been out here 9 minutes. Yeah. 9 minutes total. I'm almost done. 1 more minute. This is out of here.
Yeah, so his 10-minute thing, he said he's been out here for 9 minutes. He only needs 1 more. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
I don't know what we're so worried about.
I think this thing is coming out any minute now.
I asked for a little help.
So here we are, freezing, as continue to work. Personally, I have done my job for the day. I've been here, I was here before Bryson was even home, so. And he just dug a whole bucket of water out. So.
More than just a bucket.
Yeah.
Like 5.
We've done our duties, and I think it's time for it to come out. So they need to hurry up.
It should.
Well, now we've called in the help of some neighbors. We have the cavalry coming. Although they haven't really seen how buried it is this morning. It just kind of keeps getting deeper and deeper. But you never know. Right now, since it's not 10 minutes, we appreciate all the help we can get. Oh God. So I just came out to feed the horses. Our next rainstorm has blown in, and if you guys want to know why we were racing against the clock to try to get that tractor out, it's because about an hour and a half after we finally pulled it out, a rainstorm hit, and look at the hole now. It is completely filled. So that is like a 4 or a 5 foot hole that the tractor would have been in. Crazy. Thank goodness for our amazing neighbors.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed our crazy tractor adventure over the weekend.
If you like this video and want to see more of our crazy SoCal adventures, click the like button and make sure to subscribe down below.
Because you never know what's going to happen next week. Stay tuned!